Guys, this is Purvi and today I'll show you how to make mask at home with or without sewing machine. If you are one of them who have to wear mask all day, then definitely your ears gonna be hurt with those elastics. So in this video, I'm gonna give you a trick to how to wear a mask to save your ears. So let's get started. Take 4 layers of fabric and measure them the way I'm showing you and cut it off. Now separate 2 and 2 layers and sew it like this. Now take 2 elastic of 5 inches and pin it like this. Take the second part and put it over the first one and stitch the 4 sides. Don't forget to leave 2-3 inches at one side. You can also give it detailing with any kind of stuff you like. It covers half of your face. And doesn't it look like a warrior mask? Comment down below if you also feel the same. meters of fabric and measure it the way I am doing, 5 inch each side. Draw a half circle and cut it off. Now fold it and cut it in 4 pieces. Separate 2 and 2 layers the way I am doing. Now take a needle and sew it like this. Tie a knot and also do the another part the same way. Now place one part over another part and sew it with needle. Leave 1 inch both the side. Now fold it 2 times and for the third time leave some space for elastic. And stitch it with needle. Now take 2 elastic of 7 inches. You can take length of elastic as per your convenience. Now time for ear saving trick. Take one elastic of 4 inch long and put buttons like this. Now let me show you how you can wear it. Do try this mask at home and let me know in comment section below how would it go. If you found this video useful, then hit the like button and share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.